Basic networking terminologies. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what are the networking terminologies available regarding Wireshark, and then I'll also explain you these terminologies. So here we are at the networking terminologies. So there are actually various networking terminologies available, but these are very important regarding Wireshark or networking with Wireshark. So first of all is protocol. What is protocol? So here you can see that protocol is way of communicating. So way of communicating means basically if one packet is trying to leave this network and trying to go inside another network, right? So that is a kind of way of communicating, like a packet which is coming inside your network, a packet which is leaving your network, right? So what are the examples here? Examples are available here like TCP, HTTP, IPv4, IPv6, etc. These all are protocol examples, right? So for example, if I'm running a website, right, in my browser, so it will use HTTP protocol, right? If I'm running a HTTP website. So there are various protocols are available like TCP, transmission control protocol, UDP is available, user datagram protocol, HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, IPv4, IPv6. These all are the way of communicating, alright, and that is called protocol. Second is frame. So here it is written that according to me, layer 2 data entity which travels the wire, right? So layer 2 means the data link layer. So the use of data link layer is the data link layer handles the transfer of one packet from here to there, right? So for handling these packets, layer 2 is used. So the example is Ethernet frame. So this is a kind of example, like Ethernet frame is available. So that is called frame. So that data entity which travels in the wire, the overall entity is called frame. Third is packet. What is packet? Here it is written by me, the data contained within frame. So the frame is overall, inside frame there is a packet. So the data, the complete data which is available in frame is called packet. Example is also available like IP packet, right? Internet protocol packet is available, that is called a packet. Now segment or datagram. Now we are going deep inside a packet. It is called data contained in packet. So now the data which is available inside packet is called segment or datagram. Example is also available like TCP segment, transmission control protocol segment is called segment or datagram. So first of all, the frame, inside frame, packet, inside packet, segment or datagram, and after that inside a segment or a datagram, data, the data which is transferring from this point to the other point. So the fifth one is application data. Data contained in segment or datagram is called application data. So this is the data which we need to transfer from one point to another. The example is available here like HTTP data. So HTTP data is an example of application data. So these are the most important network terminologies regarding Wireshark or a network. In the next video, we are going to learn about OSI and TCP/IP models and why we need it.